Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to view a friend's location on Snapchat using the latest updated steps. If you've been trying to figure out why someone's location isn't showing or how to access it properly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings and options are located. Next, scroll a bit and tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see your full friends list on Snapchat. Take your time to find the specific friend whose location you want to view. Once you've found their name, press and hold on it. This will open a quick options menu. From there, tap on Location Settings. This is where you control how you see your friend's location and how theirs appears to you. Now here's the important part. Look for the option that says something like Mute your friend's name's location. If this is turned on, you won't be able to see their live location updates on the Snap Map. Simply toggle it